Hello, good morning. It's Tuesday the 2nd. I'm FX Blue and this is the market brief. So apparently UK apprenticeships may be the shape of things to come. More companies are starting to offer them as they face up to the wider skills shortages. They're also a way to deliver all the upskilling that Boris has been banging on about recently. So potentially it's a good win-win. Meanwhile, manufacturing output data, that improved a little yesterday. That was up 0.1 to 57.8. And some are taking this as a sign that the raw material supply issue might be beginning to slowly resolve themselves. I wouldn't go that far, but it's good to see the sector still posting pretty strong growth. But in the UK, the big story this week is the MPC meeting and the policy decision on Thursday. For the first time in a while now, the interest rate vote will be almost as important as any guidance that Andrew Bailey delivers in his press conference afterwards. Over the channel, the ECB has decided that growth is more of a priority than inflation, but it looks more likely that the UK will choose to deal with inflation, hoping that the supply side issues will subside more quickly on their own. In the market, we saw sterling slide to 136.40 against the dollar yesterday. It might be nothing, as this does still stay comfortably within the recent trading range, and the dollar has its own central bank expectations, but it might also suggest that traders are cooling slightly on the interest rate expectations over here. One to keep an eye on if you've got any dollar payments due this week. Over in the US, despite all the recent issues he faced over trading activities on his own book, for most, Powell still remains the best choice for the job. Yellen's been on from Dublin, as well as endorsing Powell again. She gave her view on the current state of the economy and how the US is still about 5 million jobs short of pre-pandemic levels. She admitted that inflation is higher than it has been in several years, but she still believes it is transitory and the economy is not overheating just yet. So that all added a little colour from the Treasury ahead of the Fed meeting, which kicks off today. Expectation remains that they will vote to start tapering support. And that move is supporting the dollar. The dollar index reached a high of 94.30 yesterday, and euro dollar kicks off from around the 116 point this morning. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.